Hey guys, welcome to today's video. The problem of the day is buy maximum stocks if I stocks can be bought on ith day. So in this problem we are given with the array with which stores the prices of each stocks, and we are given with our balance amount by which we have to buy maximum number of stocks. So the question asks to return the maximum number of stocks a customer can buy. But the condition is we can buy only I number of stocks on ith day. Means on the first day, in this example, on the first day we can only buy one stock of 10 rupees. Then in the second day we can buy two stocks of 7 rupees. So we can spend 14 rupees in total. In the third day we can spend 57 rupees because we can buy three stocks of 19 rupees each. So let us see an example to understand this, and we will also see the best solution or a best approach for this problem. So let us take this example 10, 7 and 19. And the balance amount given is 45. So as we have to find the maximum number of stocks we can buy, we have to sort this array. Now the question arises, what if we don't sort? So to understand that, if we buy this stock at the beginning, so we will spend 19 into 3 because this is day 3. So we can buy maximum 3 stocks of 19 rupees each. So we will spend 57 rupees. But our balance is 45. So as a result, the total number of stocks we can buy is 0. Now the question also says we can buy I number of stocks. So it is not necessary that we have to buy all the 3. So let us check that condition. The maximum number of stocks of 19 rupees each with our balance amount, how we will find that? So if we divide this k by 19, what we will get? We will get 2. So the customer can buy maximum 2 stocks in this day. So our remaining balance will be 45 minus 38, that is 7 rupees. Now, if we try to buy a stock in our first day, so maximum number of stock available is 1 and the price is 10. So we have to spend 10 rupees to buy this stock, but the available balance is 7, which is less, so it is not possible. So by now we have only brought 2 number of stocks. Now let's take the example of 7. This is at day 2. So the maximum number of stocks we can buy is 2. And the maximum number of stocks we can buy with our balance amount, that is 7. We will calculate it by 7 by the price of each stock, that is 1. So we can buy one stock in this day. So previously we bought 2 and now we bought 1. So total number of stocks we bought is 3. So if we see, this is not our solution because the question clearly says we have to return the maximum number of stocks. So for this we have to use greedy approach. In greedy approach, what we will do is at the beginning we will sort our array based on the given prices. So we have sorted this array based on the prices, but we have to maintain the order of the days. So the price of each stock was 7 on second day. The price of each stock was 10 on our first day, and the price of each stock was 19 on third day. Now as this is perfectly sorted, we have to find the maximum number of stock a customer can buy with our balance amount. So for this, we will take the minimum of the total number of stocks available, that is 2 for the first case, and the maximum number of stocks that we can buy with our balance amount. So for the first case, when the price was 7, so k by 7 implies 45 by 7, which is equals to 6. So the minimum between the two is 2. So the customer can buy both the available stocks on the second day. So now we will update our balance amount. We will subtract it by the total number of stocks we brought by the price of each stock. So we will get 31. Now coming to the part when the price of each stock was rupees 10, we will again take the minimum between the number of stocks that are available and the maximum number of stocks that can be bought by our available balance, that is 31 by 10. So it will return the minimum between 1 and 3, 1 and 3, which is 1. So the customer can buy one stock with 10 rupees on the first day. So after buying, the remaining balance will be 31 minus 10 into number of stocks, that is 21. Now coming to the third day when the price of each stocks was 19. So we will again calculate in the same way the minimum between the number of stocks available, that was 3. On the third day we can buy maximum number of stocks 3, and the maximum number of stocks we can buy with our balance amount, which is 21, divided by the price of the stock. So what will it return? Minimum between 3 and 1, that is 1. So here also we can buy one stock of 19 rupees. So we can update the balance amount, that is 21 minus 19 into 1, that is 2. So at last we will add up these number of stocks we have brought, that is 2 plus 1, which is 4. So by this greedy approach we got the maximum number of stocks we can bought. By our previous approach, when we didn't sort this array, we got 3, which is not optimal. So let us see how to code this. So in this question, we have to sort this price array according to the price of stocks each day, but we have to maintain the order as well. So we can create a class stock. This class will store the day and the price of each stock on that day. Now let us create a constructor for this class, that is stock int day comma int price. This dot day equals to day and this dot price equals price. We are ready with our class. Now let us store our days and the price associated to that day in an array list. It will be of stock type array list. Let's name it stocks equals to new array list. Now we will iterate through our price array and add each of the elements into our array list. So for that we will start a loop from 0th index till the length of our given array. Let's add the value in our stocks array list. Stocks dot add. We will create an object of stock type. Then we have to add it to our array list. So new stock. Here we will add the price array. Price of ith element. Along with it, we will also include the day. So the day will be incremented by 1 because at first our value of I is 0, but it is our first day, right? So we have to add 1 to it. Now as we have added all the elements in our array list, we have to sort that array list. I have created a detailed video on sorting and comparator interface. There is a link, maybe you can see somewhere. So please check it out if you have any confusion with this. So let us sort our array list with collections.sort, where it will take our array list and we have to create a custom logic to sort the array list based on the given price. So let's create the custom logic. For that we will take return max stock implements comparator. Now we will create our custom method, public int com public int compare, which takes two arguments, stock A and let's say stock B, and we will return the maximum between the two arguments, that is return integer dot compare A dot price and B dot price. So we have created our custom logic which implements comparator interface. Now we will create pass a object of this class, return max stock. So it will sort our array based on our given logic. So after sorting our array, we have to calculate the maximum number of stocks we can buy. So let us take an variable result which will store the final result. Now we have to run a loop in our sorted array list, I less than n, and I will increment by 1. Now according to our logic, we will check the minimum value between the maximum number of stocks on ith day and the maximum number of stock we can buy by our balance amount, that is k divided by stock dot get I price. So we got the number of stock we will buy on ith day. Now we have to add it to our result, and at last we will deduct the cost of buying count number of stocks from our balance amount. So count is the number of stocks we have brought, and the price is stocks dot get I dot price. So it will deduct and store the available balance. At last we have to return our result. So this is all about the code. Let's check if there is any issues. So our name of the array list is stocks.get. I think we are good to go now. Okay, so we have to pass the type, that is stock type. So let's run our code. So the code is running fine. Let's submit. So it passed successfully. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Let's meet in the next video.